Managing type 2 diabetes, diabetes tipo 2, effectively involves making informed dietary choices. Certain foods can significantly impact blood sugar levels, and avoiding them can help maintain better control over your condition. Here are 7 surprising foods you should avoid to beat diabetes and maintain a healthy lifestyle. 1. Sugary beverages. Sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, and sweetened teas are high in refined sugars, which can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Opt for water, unsweetened teas, or beverages with natural sweeteners instead. NHS UK, Mayo Clinic. 2. White bread and pasta. Refined carbohydrates, such as those found in white bread and pasta, are quickly broken down into glucose, leading to increased blood sugar levels. Choose whole grain alternatives that have a lower glycemic index and provide more fiber. NHS UK. 3. Full-fat dairy products. While dairy can be part of a healthy diet, full-fat versions can be high in saturated fats, contributing to insulin resistance. Switch to low-fat or fat-free dairy options to reduce saturated fat intake. NHS UK. 4. Fried foods. Fried foods, particularly those fried in unhealthy oils, are high in trans fats and calories, which can lead to weight gain and worsen insulin resistance. Opt for baked or grilled alternatives and use healthy oils like olive or avocado oil. Mayo Clinic. 5. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausage, and deli meats are high in sodium, saturated fats, and preservatives, all of which can negatively affect blood sugar control and increase the risk of heart disease. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and legumes. NHS UK. 6. High-sugar snacks. Candy, cookies, and other high-sugar snacks cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. They also offer little nutritional value and can contribute to weight gain. Opt for snacks that are high in protein and fiber, such as nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits. NHS.UK. And sugary breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals contain high amounts of sugar and refined carbohydrates. These can cause blood sugar spikes and leave you feeling hungry shortly after eating. Choose whole grain cereals with no added sugars or opt for oatmeal topped with fresh fruit. Mayo Clinic. Additional tips for managing diabetes tipo 2. 1. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Regular monitoring can help you understand how different foods affect your blood sugar. 2. Stay active. Physical activity helps improve insulin sensitivity and manage blood sugar levels. 3. Maintain a healthy weight. Weight management is crucial in controlling type 2 diabetes. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help regulate blood sugar levels. Consult a dietitian. A dietitian can help you create a personalized meal plan that suits your health needs. Conclusion. Avoiding these 7 foods can significantly help in managing diabetes tipo 2. By making mindful dietary choices, staying active, and monitoring your blood sugar levels, you can maintain better control over your condition and improve your overall health.